I got this 97 two-door Tahoe right here. They LS swapped it, but they were having issues with the power steering and whatnot. The lines popping off. Let me show you guys what the setup they had put on it was. So this is the setup it had. Obviously here you can see that the pressure side, they cut the hoses and pretty much made their own, you know, hacked it up. But being the pressure side, it's gonna pop off even if you clamp it. And so for the return, they used the factory return from the truck, but they blocked off this third port because this power steering pumps for a truck with the hydro boost. So that's where this line comes from. So I'm gonna show you guys the parts that I used to put this one together the best I could, and to make it at least a little cleaner. So you're gonna need 4 parts. Basically, you're gonna get a 05 power steering pump with 1 return port on it, and then you're gonna get your pressure hose, which is this one right here. And so then you'll have a fitting that goes behind the power steering pump. I'll give you the part numbers and everything, but this is kind of how I set it up. So this is your pressure line here, and you can see them, you know, it fits pretty decent right there. And so for the return, what I did was just get a normal OBS return line for the power steering pump, and it'll, you know, go straight into your gearbox and go into the port for the return on the 05 power steering pump. And so basically this is that fitting. This is the part number for the fitting. This is the part number for your pressure hose, and then this is the part number for the return line that I used off of an OBS truck. And so then this is the power steering pump you'll need. And you know, that's probably the best I've came across to, you know, setting this up with, you know, just using factory parts and whatnot. And so like I said right there, everything's all, you know, plugged in, no leaks, no nothing, runs normal. And so like I said on this one, you know, this is a no-go, you know, putting clamps on the pressure side, especially for a power steering pump or anything hydraulic. It's obviously gonna leak. He said that he had issues with it popping off and whatnot. And so, you know, here we won't have that problem no more. So hopefully that helps somebody.